I was struggling with getting recovery after having 20% of my meniscus on the right knee removed. I'd gone through PT, actually did 2 months of physical therapy 3 times a week, 2 to 3 times a week, and was better, but I was not to where I wanted to be. I still had problems. Pain, uh, lack of mobility, lack of confidence in my knee. Um, I was clutching the railing as I would go downstairs because it felt like it was going to give out on me or wouldn't hold me. I just was not happy and I had pain and I didn't know how to fix it. So far, it's been a good experience. I have a reduced pain, way more mobility. I'm going up and down 3 flights of stairs. One of the things that struck me as important uh, in making the decision to sign up with you is that I found you so gently and continuously supportive of our success. Meaning, it was just such a gentle, continuous support that I just so appreciate, and the vision that we are all going to be healthy. And it's true, I am. The exercises work. I would say the first 2 weeks, it's important just to go with the flow, follow the directions, do the exercises, and it'll all make sense about the third week. It did for me anyway. And the results became more and more apparent. The system, the brain body system that you teach us about becomes more familiar every call, every time we chat with you. I think I mentioned stairs are no problem for me now. I'm not clutching a railing for fear of the knee giving out. I'm walking more. I'm walking up hills and down. That I had a lot of pain with and a lot of problem with prior to working with you. I just have more mobility, more stability. I have more confidence in myself and in my body. One of the great things about this program is that I had problems that I didn't even really mention as a problem because I'd had them for so long. Like my right shoulder is always kind of given me grief about once or twice a month. And it's getting better. I mean, and I haven't even talked about my right shoulder to you. I have never signed up for an exercise program and paid substantial amount of money. So this is signing up with you was a first. And I did that because I had to do something. And I was looking at getting a personal trainer or going acupuncture, getting massages. I was just really searching. I was searching the internet. And my intuition told me this was the right program for me. And I kind of balked because I didn't want to think about having or needing this kind of expertise because I've always been pretty athletic and mobile. But the truth of it is, it's the best thing I did for myself. Follow your intuition. The thing I would add is thank you. I look forward to next week.